Hi guys, we are checking in at Pullman Sydney Penrith. Join us as we explore this stunning new 5-star hotel, located in the heart of the Panthers leisure and entertainment precinct. From luxurious rooms to top-notch amenities, there is so much to discover here. Step inside the lobby and be greeted by grand ceilings and an inviting atmosphere. The interior accents and furniture pieces are carefully curated to enhance the sophisticated color theme, creating a space that's both stylish and welcoming. Now, let's take a look at the lounge on one of the floors. These high windows flood the space with natural light, making it a perfect spot to relax and unwind. It has a modern feel matched with comfortable seating. Now, let's do a room tour. You can start your day with an espresso coffee. Catch up on your favorite shows on the 55-inch smart TV with Foxtel channels and complimentary movie channels. Enjoy a restful sleep on the king bed. High-speed internet and a luxurious bathroom complete this perfect retreat. They also have an elite fitness center. Finally, let's head over to the breakfast area. In the evening, this space transforms into the Marcel Bar and Bistro, offering a delectable dining experience with an enviable wine and cocktail list. Perfect for a relaxed evening after a day of exploring or meetings. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing the best places to meet, dine, stay, and play. See you in the next video.